Manually entering ingredient data to create food labels is a slow, tedious process. It's prone to human error. When it comes to compliance, even a small mistake is a big risk. But what if you could digitize that data in seconds? The most effective way is through an automated feature. Instead of typing out every individual nutrient from a supplier's spec sheet, just simply upload the PDF or an image of the ingredient label. Tools like Food Label Maker's AI extraction software are now advanced enough to recognize complex ingredient lists automatically. The AI parses the document to extract the full nutritional profile, allergens, and sub-ingredients automatically. This moves your team's workflow from manual data entry to data verification. Once you review and save it, that ingredient is permanently stored in your database, ready to be pulled into any future recipe with 100% consistency. If your team is still typing out labels by hand, it might be time to look into an automated extraction workflow, like at foodlabelmaker.com.